Um, Hello, ma'am and sir. My name is Cindy Espinosa from Philippines. I am 36 years old. I've been married 15 years from now. We have three children, one girl, two boys. Their age is 14, 12, 4 years old. And about my experience, mom and sir, I have three employers before. International, they are British, German, and Korean, but they stay in Philippines. And also, I am ex Hong Kong since 2017 and 2019. I belong to three members of family. They have kids 8 years old, and my duties are ironing, laundering, cleaning, and do marketing, and also cooking, and bring him to school every day. Sometimes, if we have time, we play sport like basketball and badminton, and also teach him sometimes reading, and I read storybook to him. And my second employers, two elderly, 72 years old and 75 years old. And my duties are cleaning, ironing, uh, washing the car, laundering, and also and especially cooking. And my personality is I am trustworthy, honest, and loyal, and also religious person, ma'am and sir. And also I can sing and dance and play to the children. I love sport also, ma'am and sir. I hope, ma'am and sir, you give me a chance to be a part of your family member soon. Thank you so much and God bless you. Bye.